Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but that's okay. I mean, I've been super busy. This is actually one of my slowest weeks since like COVID, so I'm really so grateful to God for that. Yeah, let's get into it. So, as you guys can see by the title, I've been being a little bit, you know, touristy, and I've had some experiences recently with a specific hotel, and it's just been the worst. So I was a guest at this specific hotel. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just gonna give you guys 2 seconds to subscribe, hit the bell button down below. Let me just give you guys some time right now. I know. Yeah, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to. Just go on ahead and hit that bell button. All right, thank you. All right, so this hotel that I went to was absolute trash. It was ghetto. If anybody follows me on Instagram, which you should, you would have definitely like known what hotel it was. So first let me start off by saying this. If you guys are gonna go to this hotel, ensure that you go with cash and pay with cash. I don't know about other hotels, like if they don't take cash like when you're gonna check in, but bring cash so you won't have to worry about joining a long ass line. Now, I've heard about my other friends that were going to be there with me to, you know, enjoy ourselves, and trust me, they went through hell for reservations. Like, there was a long line even when I went there. So I tried to make it look as though, listen, I need to use the bathroom, I need to be up out of here, y'all need to get me my room, come on street. You know what I have to tell them, say, listen to me, I use the bathroom, I'm not even supposed to be here this long, y'all need to get me out of this line. So everybody in a one long piece of line, and I'm like, listen, I'm not about this life, do not have me here this long. And so the lady tried to ensure that, okay, that I was very stern with them, right? So that was my first disgusting encounter. Them look like if me never did stern with them, they were about to have me there for the whole day, and my other friends were having issues checking in as well, and we did make reservations from before, and I was like, listen, I'm not doing this with you guys. Here's my cash while I'm signing the reservations, people. Can you guys please ensure that you give this money to the cashier for me, please, because I'm not joining that line and I'm not going to be down here for 2 hours. Right? I was very stern with them because I was like, yo, my friends were having issues, I'm not about to do that with you guys. No, that's number one. Like, so I guess it wasn't even that bad per se, but it was still like I still had to be there for a while because they had to be making calls, and I'm like, what kind of calls you need to be making? You get what I mean? So like, sign me up. I have the cash, like I had the exact cash, so nobody could tell me nothing. You get what I say? So that's one. The guys, you know, them help you upstairs. I don't remember what do you mean, bellman? Yeah, the bellman. They helped and they carried us upstairs. So I tried to use the key for my room, and I was like, yo, this key's not working. My friend's room was beside my room, so I was like, yo, I'll just chill in here, I'll wait on you to come upstairs back with the key, because I'm telling him to go sort it out, because, well, I asked him nicely, like, guys, don't feel like I was disrespectful. When I get rude, like, you're gonna see when I get rude. Throughout this whole time, I've been nice. Like, even at the front desk, I was like, listen, I'm not doing this with you guys. I cannot be here right now. I'm not supposed to be here right now. I'm still here. Why am I still here? Why am I still checking? Y'all supposed to have me checked in already, sis. You understand? Like, I had to be so strict with them, but still, like, I was being respectful, you know. but I was just being stern, so them could have realized that I'm not the shits like what they've been doing with my friends previously, like, you know. So then now I go and I said to him, say, hey, can you just please like go back downstairs for me and just tell him to sort this out and whatever. And he was like, yeah man, sure, no problem. Come back where we in the room, I wait for how long I wait. So I just end up I do everything in my friend room. Then they go for go have lunch and I was like, okay, alright, cool. Tell you what we're gonna do now. I couldn't go get lunch, but me I gotta do my makeup. Tell them for go on and they end up at try on one dress. I have a clip here actually with when I was getting dressed. Look at this. Try on dress and do my makeup and everything, and mid doing my makeup, my hair nice. Me I say, yo, what is this? Like I didn't even know if it was upstairs or downstairs because the way how like them honestly don't even decorate the place. It's only like the bed in there and the sofa that I could actually suck up the sound. So it's like, yeah, I hear everything. So me could have shout from downstairs and yeah, hear me from the top floor. You get me? Which is I guess would be normal for other places, but like the place was pretty bare. Anyways, my dad and all I said, Jano, like, what is that noise? I hear cussing and people are cussing them. A fight, I hear like people fling down on the ground. I'm like, okay. Then it calmed down, but it was still so loud. Me I hear everything. I say, yo, what is this? Is this so ghetto? Where am I? Am I in the ghetto? Oh, yeah, the ghetto. Like the people were so loud, and I was like, yo, them not consider the other people up on the place. What? I had it. I was like, yo, I need to go look. I need to catch this fight out. Cause listen, there's little to no excitement in my life, you know. So like when me see excitement on road, me I one of them person will be like, I mean I pop my neck for try to find out what's popping. Me and a girly. Yeah, me at a pop neck try to figure out what's going on around the corner type of girl. Present miss. Yeah, so guys, I was so frustrated. I got scared for my life. Me in a big nice clean Grand Bahia here. Principale. First of all, I don't even know how to pronounce this freaking place name. So sorry, I'm gonna mess it up. Wolip, right? You know what? That's bad enough. Oh well. Anyways, yeah. So I said, no man. Like, did I stay in the room? But like, I got transferred to the ghetto. Like, cause this was. It's wild. Like, me hear people like get fling down on the ground and like what this whole heap of fighting. Me I hear. Me I said, no man. Me I hear the shouting. So me end up open my room. Why? Cause remember, you know, me never have a key. I remember my friend them go downstairs and we did forget to leave the key. Somebody didn't know I'm gonna leave the door wide open. Imagine the things in the room and I'm just leave the door wide open. I mean, I want it to slam. Take my time. I'm gonna sneak. I'm gonna go upstairs. And when I go upstairs, me look. Me see one girl underneath the other girl and she said, you so embarrassing! You embarrassing my family! So apparently, I want Jamaican girl a fight with one American girl. Apparently they're actually family. So what it looks like, what it seemed like, may I report live from the fight scene. It seems to me that the people them, like there's a couple getting married and you know, like them just meet each other, like you know, like first actually like meet each other, and she just realized that the girl embarrassing, like she's embarrassing the family. Yeah, big fights. Like Me always look like me see one employee from the hotel because she in her uniform. She's like, calm down, miss. Me see people at tear where the woman bathing suit come off her, you know, she have on the little part to come up, so me see that bust off, and then me see one the Jamaican girl have licking her face, so you see part of her face, and then so swell up, so you know, say the foreign girl they go in for her, and I say, no man, this wild woman dead wild west,
the ghetto.
Woman there. I was like, I forgot look. I said, no man. If the hotel a tear where me need to see why it a tear where. But then I have to see, I said, Anyways, we take my time and go back downstairs because the people there downstairs. Oh, the fight was wild when we catch peace fight tonight. It sweet. But I say it's sweet, my life for see the controversy, because obviously I would have loved for them to sort out their issues. I really hope you guys sorted out your issues, but me I say, yo, una could have torn down them outside the hallway. People probably have sex in them room, and they might hear this brawl outside, can't even get to come good. Like, that's wild. That's so wild. I was like, this is ratchet. Like, I was like, Marky, that's not really the hotel's fault, but I was like, yo, this, it gets worse, trust me. Then, at the end of the night, now we'll go for dinner, right? Still I try to start out the key situation. So one of my guy friends who was there, him ended up and say, yo, Shaph, mega try for deal with this way. Come if we go at the front desk and try to start out the key. Anyways, we go there now and I say, miss, listen, why everybody upstairs have issues with them key? Like, and because some of my other friends were having issues with their key, but you know, the room that I was in wasn't having any issues. I'm like, miss, listen, I'm very disappointed with the service thus far. Why are we having issues with our key? Like, I can't get in my room. She's like, okay, miss, we're going to sort it out. And then one white woman come, and she totally disregard when me did I say, and start attending to a white woman. So me say hello. Me say hello. Me too black over here. Like, what's going on? Me never said all out, obviously. So then now somebody else come to me. I say why is it that them can't relay the message to the person who them never come to me, instead of having me after repeat the situation all over again. So when the woman come to me now, I start to put on everything. She's like, yes, miss, what is the issue? I say, listen to me. I'm gonna start putting on my things. I'm afraid I put all my back. I'm afraid all my back because you know say me did I just leg on myself, right? So the whole me just strip in the check-in area. Come here and say, no man, them people are why I have to in the check-in so long? I try to start out my key. I shouldn't even have to put no face too often. Only time if I see I when me a check in and when me a check out. And me actually I see the time but no face too long to check in. When I supposed to tell them I want to enjoy the hotel, they're off a hotel. Yeah, I was like, oh god. So she ended up and said to me, say, we sent maintenance, and maintenance is on their way. I said, okay, so can I go up there? She said, oh, by the way, there's a guy, he's right there. You can just go up there with him. So I said, say the room name 223. So I said, sir, are you going to 223? He's like, no, you're not, but come man, come, you can come with me. I say, you have keys to give me so I can open and close my door? Because they took the keys from us. And he's like, just come man. I said, do you have keys? 2 times I asked the money now. He said, just come man, just come. I said, alright, come. I'm going to tell my male friends them for come. We go up there now and the man ended up opening up the door for we. And when the man opened up the door for we didn't know what we say. I see the man I walk off. I say, sir, when my key them there? I say, when my key? The man said, I only have keys for me, I only have keys for me. I said, someone never ask you if you have key for we and you tell me to come upstairs. Why you tell me to come upstairs if you don't have the key? I start get dark on the man. Come here, say no man, like seriously, we have to walk up all these freaking stairs. Why is it that you make me come all the way upstairs? I'm ask you if you have key for we, for use. You tell me to come upstairs. Don't have to go back down the stairs because you don't have no key for we. You just open the door. What am I going to use if I'm ready for come in and come out? I was so upset. I was like, did you not hear me ask you downstairs if you have keys? My friend them have to just send me in the room and it's try to rectify it outside. Because myself going and I say, yo, I start tear up everything. I said, no man, this hotel just like, come on, like no little nice customer service. I was so annoyed. The man out there arguing with me, you know. I talk about him a film key alone. I film him a key for himself. I don't business about the key where you have for yourself, sir. I want a key for me. I'm supposed to get 2 keys. My head all hurt me. I talk about this crisis hotel. My head a pound. Where's my hungry? Brittany! They did not finish. Yo, Mara. Brittany, they did not finish downstairs. You know if them finish cook the rice?
Oh my god, you sound so hungry.
Girl, Mara. Oh my god. Brittany, why you leave my door open? Oh my god. So they know me just have to take on my ass, start about me and eat them food. So you know, so we frightened up because we said, yes, them have oxygen. Take up
no, it's not finished. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Alright, thank you.
You call it when it finished. When me don't eat?
No, girl, come on, I go downstairs. Please. Bye. Top over to take up oxygen and rice and this and that. Oxtail was trash. I never know what hotel people could have messed up oxtail. Like everybody look forward to oxtail, you know, they're friend. Like you go and you see salmon. Well, I'm not friend for salmon, I don't like salmon. You know, you go and you see lobster, like grilled lobster. You know them something they're rare. Like you're not gonna just see them in a buffet setting, you know. And you like a one thing where you actually go for buffet, like you go for lobster. If you see it, you not pass it up. That was me and my boys with oxtail, and the oxtail spoiled. Oxtail it don't season pressure more. It was bland, and then the man just fling down the rice, and then when we go, them a big party in the auditorium. I thought it was so, I don't know, and the white managers were there. The white people them were obviously them look like them a manager because them have on them uniform and everybody was just a work around them, you know, typical, you know. And the music I play and the people them are dance. One thing though, them have on them mask. The people them in the kitchen, where I serve with the food, them have on them mask. And obviously now, you know, at COVID time, so you know the people them not really have all of them staff, and so, you know, when you go to one section you have to wait for somebody else to come from the next section and come and bring your food and stuff like that. That was annoying, but I figured that you know the hotel I try to save as well. Them I try to, you know, still keep little piggy money in the bank or whatever. But honestly guys, that was like my worst experience ever. Like me never know, me never going to an auditorium and hear music play so like me there dance. You know, all our breakfast to them I play music. Big outside like dance, you know. Them play my father's song still. So when we hear that, I was like, 1 point for the stay but hotel. Hey. Just wake up. And them I play the music so loud. I don't know, that's just me still. I wouldn't have wanted something so loud. But hey man, other people were dancing and they were enjoying themselves. So I guess that was a thing. It was a thing for some people. It wasn't a thing for me. So if you would have probably enjoyed that vibe, like to feel like you're in a dance, then hey man, do your thing. That's you. But I didn't like it. Music too loud, man. I know it's like I probably make me sound like one granny, but I don't know, like, I don't know, it never tasteful. We're human still, and everything I do tasteful, so true. People might think I'm not talk tasteful, or I'm not act tasteful with some stuff, you know. Then when my, you know, like the extra uppity class people, they might be like, she's so ghetto. Oh well. Guys, you know, one thing that struck out to me, like we went and we said, okay, after dinner we're going to have some alcohol. When I go anywhere, I usually order like Disaronno. I love Disaronno. So a couple days ago I experienced Amaretto so on, and you know, Disaronno, yeah, Disaronno is like top shelf, and then Amaretto is like if you don't have the Disaronno, then put it in it, right? So I went and said, okay, I'm gonna try Amaretto so. The Amaretto so, I felt like it never even moved me. And if you guys know Disaronno, it's a liqueur. It's very nice and sweet. Love it, love it, love it. But it's strong. Like, it's so strong. They watered down everything. Like, even at breakfast, guys, it was wild. Like, orange juice watered down, pineapple juice watered down, fruit punch watered down. And my first experience was when I asked her for some juice, and she walked away with the trolley and go serve some white people because we're too black, right? And when she did that, I walked over to her trolley, picked up her glass, and I was dead ass ready to share up my drink because she was playing and I was thirsty.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Me I choke on the dumpling. I'm gonna want my drink. I'm gonna ask for the drink, and the lady walk off and gone elsewhere. Someone pick it up. She's like, "Oh, miss, yes, that is our job." I said, "Well, if you were doing your job, I wouldn't have come over here." I said, "I saw you, and I wasn't seeing you doing your job, so I was just trying to help you out." See, someone said to her, "Miss." That was trash. And then there was another encounter with me at breakfast as well, and at the same time. Shagga said to me, I asked her, I said, "Miss, can I get a fork, please?" She was serving some white people. But she stepped away from the table and was at the trolley. You know, them have the trolley where them have the fork, the knife, the glass, the hand towel, everything them have in there. And she was at that station, and I said to her, Can I get a knife and fork, please?" She said, "Miss, I'm serving some." I said, "I just want a knife and fork. It's right there." She started to eat and give it to me. And she have on her mask, so she never thinks I'm see it. So she never thinks I'm here. I'm a well here. I'm just take the fork from her and take the knife from her. I just walk off because honestly, I never want to tell her how prejudiced them is. I never want to tell her how racist she is. Not because I'm not even a tipper, because I'm a tipper. You get me? Because I've been a server before. I've worked at a wine bar for a couple years. You know, been 26. And honestly, like, I know what it's like to be a server, so I'm a tipper. You get me? I don't always get to tip, but I'm saying, like, I like to tip because I know what it's like. I've been in that position. So when Missy Shah give me attitude, you deserve to not get tipped, honestly. You get me? So the customer service there is terrible. Like, you don't walk past a housekeeper, usually I go to other nice hotels, but have something about them, you don't actually hear the housekeeper say hello, or if the housekeeper come in your room to clean, you don't hear them say hello. I never get nothing like that. Them just stand up and walk, look by your walk past, and that's it. I'm like, I'm not saying like I never say I must say hello or whatever, but usually they're usually the first to do that, you know. Them staff was unpleasant. Boy, I don't know. I don't think me ever experienced, like, I never felt like I was at a hotel. The only time I end up get like actually good customer service was one experience at the front desk with the same lady who did actually listen to me the first time when I was having the issue with the key. And she was like, okay, but then no, she ended up never relayed the message to the other person. I mean, sometimes I forgive people a lie, you know, like my sister, she really did try. Because she says I'm miserable. I don't know if she watch me on my channel here, but she follow me on Instagram. People have to say I'm miserable. I'm not really miserable, but just listen, I'm a SHTM UTech student, and us SHTM girls, we look out for shit like that. We know what it's supposed to be. As much as how bad UTech was with them foolishness, like they taught us what it's supposed to be, like how customer service is supposed to feel, you know, like as service providers in the SHM, like we know what we're supposed to be getting. So when we go and we see trash, we're like, miss, I'm supposed to get served first as the female. Did you know that? Like, even my ex Terrence, he knows that I'm a bitch when it comes on to, like, he literally be like, Shaph, he would have hold on for my leg and I need the table